Hey cadets, it's Dirty Phil here and we are in the capital city of Hanoi. We're here for the Vietnam Blockchain Summit and we're really interested to see what the crypto scene is like out here in Southeast Asia. So let's go inside and take a look. Hey, what's your name?
Hey, my name is Victor. I'm the CEO of Kyber Network.
My name is John, and I'm the CEO of Maxi Exchange.
My name is Datle. I'm a CEO of Baby Tech.
Hey, my name's Lackerson. I'm a product manager at Tomochain, based in Hanoi.
And Victor, what do you think about the crypto scene in Southeast Asia?
I think in Southeast Asia, crypto scene is amazing. Like we have so many opportunities, to work on new technologies, and especially in Vietnam, we have so many developers working on the blockchain project right now, and we are all amazed with it.
I think it's amazing. The market is big, and then the people here is very friendly, and they all understand how the crypto works. That is a very big market for every crypto-related project to come.
You're from Hanoi, right?
Exactly.
And so what do you think about the crypto scene here in Vietnam and Southeast Asia?
As Vietnamese, I think that they are growing very fast. Before, we are just doing outsourcing for foreign company, but right now we want to have our own product, and crypto is the way we're doing it.
Mainly in Vietnam, if you see a number of internet users or the crypto users in Vietnam is pretty high. And after that, we see Indonesia is there and Thailand. The two main countries is Vietnam and Indonesia.
So what do you think about the crypto scene here in Southeast Asia?
Oh, it's pretty vibrant actually. It's grown quite a lot over the last couple of years. Very big on gaming, and there's like a lot of development work done in Southeast Asia, particularly in Vietnam. Very big adoption by the population as well. It's super interesting.
Crypto is booming in Southeast Asia. A lot of people use crypto. I just read the statistics, and it was written there that 20% of the whole population of Vietnam, they own crypto. They know how crypto works. Crypto and blockchain are inevitable in Southeast Asia.
I think this is one word to describe the whole thing. I think it's energetic. Because in Vietnam, I see a lot of young developers, a lot of young users, a lot of young people in the Web3. And it's quite different from other regions. Everyone is so young, so energetic here, and they want to build, they want to use, they want to engage with Web3. So I feel it's so energetic in Vietnam, especially.
Man is really growing very fast, and of course, you really want to be part of that growth because the developers, the idea, and everything that is coming from this region is really magnificent.
I think it's really awesome, man. I'm from Hong Kong, so Hong Kong's already super developed when it comes to the blockchain space, but Vietnam is an emerging space and has lots of potential. I met a lot of good connections here, a lot of good people, a lot of great local projects, man. Everybody's so welcome. I love it.
All right, guys, there we have it. You see that crypto is booming in Southeast Asia. There's a lot of interest, emerging markets, especially here in Vietnam. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's Dirty Phil signing off. Catch you guys next time.